Recently in my weekly live sessions, some of my students who are already doing local SEO for last more than 1 or 2 years, they still have some questions related to the Google reviews. That give me an idea that the people who already know more than the other people, they just started their journey, still they are confused about Google reviews, right? They don't have the proper understanding of each and every single aspect of Google reviews. So I decided to create a dedicated video about Google reviews so that they can get a better clarity and they don't got confused by watching the random content on YouTube and other sources. So in today's video, I'm going to answer some of the most frequently asked questions about Google reviews. So basically I got find like 10 or 11 questions. I'll answer each and every questions in detail. I'll try to show you the evidences also. So let's go to the screen. So the first question is, why should you care about reviews? Right now I am on the White Spark blog sections. These guys, they keep doing every year research about top ranking factors. So you can see here on the screen, in top 15 ranking signals, reviews are at like in top 5 or top 10. So keyword in native Google reviews has way more influential. Higher reviews like 4-star, 5-star reviews also has impact on ranking, and the quantity of native reviews. So let's say the reviews who has text, the reviews with the videos, photos, they have more impact on the rankings. Review has the direct correlations with the local rankings. The next question is, do reviews help Google rankings? So as we have seen already, top 15 ranking signals. So if you're getting reviews, consistent reviews, it always help you to beat the other competitors. The question 3, it's my favorite one. I have seen many businesses with lots of reviews, but still they are not ranking well. Most of the people who watching this video has the same questions. It also happened with me that when I was doing the competitor analysis, I found some of the businesses who has like literally less than 10 reviews, still maintaining themselves in top 3, top 5 spots. So how is this possible? So the answer of this particular question is, there are many ranking factors. Reviews is the only one ranking factor. If you have the exact match keyword in the name, it's better. It has the more weightage compared to the reviews. Second one is distance from the searcher. If your business is located 10 miles away from the searcher and the other businesses, they don't have the reviews, they are only from 500 meters, they have always the better ranking compared to your rankings. So always proximity matters. And the third reason, some ghost listings, some spam listings. So they just create the listings in bulk and they verified the listings nearby the city centroids. So if you are searching from some other areas of the city, the chances are very low that your profile can rank there. So always try to understand all of these factors, then you can get to any conclusion. Question 4, how to get more reviews? So there are many ways to get reviews. Basically, my favorite way is to get all the list of customers which are served by my client. So I ask my client to hand out all the details of their past customers. I launch email campaign and I run some kind of giveaway. So it could be anything. I prefer to do like $100 Amazon voucher to all of them who are giving me the reviews. Second way, you can offer them like 20%, 10% according to your client business status. You can give them like additional discounts in their next job. So there are many ways. You just need to figure out the creative way how you can do that. So every niche has their different challenges to get the review. So no one has the time to give you their like valuable 5 or 10 minutes. Why would they do that? So you need to figure out the way. Always wants to get discounts, always wants to get some additional perks. In exchange, they can do that. So you need to find that way. Next question, is it important to reply to reviews? In my opinion, if you don't care about the reviews, people think that you are not caring your customers. So let's say in some cases we got the negative reviews. So we need to answer the reviews in that way so that people feel that we care about our customers. The next question is, how many reviews do we need to rank? This is the most frequently searched questions about the Google reviews. So I'll show you the exact how I identify the number of reviews we need for my client so that we can help them to get the best rankings on the maps. So right now on the screen, you can see here this field average number of reviews. All of my top competitors, you can see here average number of reviews. So they have 57, they have 30, 45 and 38. So if you look at my screen, I pull out all of my competitors. So this is my first competitor, first business. They have 57 reviews, they have 110, they have 200, they have 17. I need to calculate top 5 businesses. I need to check how many reviews they have, and I need to identify the average value. Let's do the average. If I do calculate the average, it should be around nearby 100. So we need to have almost 100 reviews to stay in the competition. Okay. The next question, should we buy the reviews? Many people are doing it, right? So I always recommend don't buy the reviews, because Google has the more resources. They can easily track you down. If Google identify that you are getting the reviews, you are buying the reviews, profile can be suspended permanently. The next question is, how fast do we need to collect the reviews? So the answer is simple. Just check your top competitors, just check their review velocity. So in this case, I can see here the review velocity of here 18. So this business, they are getting 1 review in each 18 days. They are getting 2 reviews in a month. They are getting 3 reviews. They are getting 1 review. They are getting same like 1 or 2 reviews each month. So according to that, you should plan your review campaign. Don't get more reviews than your competitors' velocity. That's the ethical process of doing it. Otherwise, your profile can be flagged. And the biggest update of 2025, which recently discovered, instead of getting reviews only for the Google Business Profile, you should also start getting reviews for Yelp, for Facebook, and all the other third-party tools also. So you have seen in many businesses that Google is also pulling reviews from Trustpilot. Google is also pulling reviews from Facebook page. They are pulling reviews from Yelp also, right? So just focus on the omni-channel marketing. Basically, your profile can be suspended anytime. So let's say you have 1,000 reviews on your Google Business Profile and your profile is suspended. You can get the another profile, but you cannot get these 1,000 reviews. Let's think you have distribute all of these 1,000 reviews on your different channels, different platforms. You can still get them. Your Facebook profile, your Facebook page cannot be suspended. Your Yelp profile cannot be suspended, but you cannot control the Google Business Profile. It can be suspended. So avoid to all of these maze. Highly recommend you to get reviews for all of these third-party tools. So these are some questions about Google reviews. I hope you got the clarity now. So if you found this video helpful, just like the video, share this video with all of your new SEO friends. They just started their career, and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.